turn this into a little video. It might be just a quick one. What are we doing today, Jack?
Fetch a bonnet.
We're going to fetch a bonnet. Why?
Because it's got vents.
Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go and fetch a bonnet. We're going to switch it over. So you guys are going to see obviously how you can remove a bonnet and replace it and all that if you ever need to. So yeah, that's basically it. What's going to happen?
Not far.
Yeah, it's about an hour and a half, isn't it? Corby. Going to Corby. Is it Corby?
Yeah.
Yeah, wherever that is. Never heard of it in my entire life. But yeah, going to Corby. So about an hour and a half. So yeah, my car's staying here. It's just there. Oh wait, no, I can't even do camera angles. There he is, look. Chilling. So yeah, we'll see where this goes.
Well, I've always got a filter in my mouth.
Because you are a cake boy.
No, I do like cake.
In 2 miles, enter the roundabout.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. There we go.
At the roundabout, take the first exit.
That lane, the potholes are fucking awful.
It's a canoe!
It's a canoe. God, they're on a long track, aren't they? Fucking Jesus.
Screeching!
The wheels are just like... What's he screeching for?
Budget tyre, innit?
This guy right here, shout out to you. He's just seen us and messaged me on Instagram, so shout out to you, mate. Joys of driving in countryside, eh, Jack? Smells like shit. That's fresh.
That's me.
That's me with your fucking driving, you nut job. Glory hole. So I'm not recording while I'm there because the guys had piston 4 issues, so it's going back for warranty, so I don't want to show his plate or anything for obvious reasons. But yeah, 13mm socket, 13mm socket, same on the other side. Use 2 people so you don't smash your actual window. Hey Jack?
Yes.
So yeah, use 2 people and then literally line it back up again. Job done. All that video for about 20 seconds. So that's it done. Switched over. That, Jack, can you move your tits, please? Thanks. It just, you know, there it looks like it's off.
I know, I thought that.
Right,
That's why I'm looking.
obviously that's all done, all switched over, all sorted. Jobs are good in. Looks actually pretty good, doesn't it? To be fair. See, that's something I want to do with mine, but you won't see it, so there's no point.
Oh, you would.
I'd have to have gold.
I've gold.
Right guys, so obviously a few little shout outs. This was just a quick video. Obviously it was like a little road trip for me and Jack. Cut down into about whatever time it is, small time. It took us about probably 4 hours.
Like that.
Yeah. But yeah, we've got a Facebook page. It's on the screen now somewhere here. Give it a follow, give it a like, send it a message. It's basically for mechanic stuff, mechanic quotes, and wrapping quotes. So if you want a roof wrapping interiors, or you want some brake pads doing, brake discs, springs, lowering springs, pretty much all that sort of shit I like. Also RSP Designs, Instagram on the screen now. They did me my custom badge, which is also on the screen. Any automotive related products, it can do a 3D printing, so give them a follow and a like. Also, this picture of my car that Valentine drew for me is absolutely insane. He does a lot of car drawings, so follow him on Instagram. Also has a YouTube of time lapses of the drawings as well. Absolutely awesome, realistic. He does cartoon drawings and all that sort of stuff. So give him a follow as well on Instagram and get a quote from that. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and we'll see you guys soon.